Hello, hi, I'm Punita here from Huawei Global Training Center, and we are going to discuss about the topic cabinets. This is part 8. Cabinets. So we have different kind of cabinets. So this is the installation scenario. We have the installation type and we have the cabinet type. So for indoor solution, we have non-ground mounted, and this is the type of cabinet we can use. We're going to see this later one by one. And we have ground mounted type of cabinets. We have wall mounted types of cabinets, and there are also some reconstruction package based on to make the existing equipment better and to improve the heat dissipation and power distribution capability of the existing cabinets. So there are some kind of reconstruction package available over here. And for outdoor, basically there are some outdoor type of cabinets which are required to be installed. Example, BBU 5900A, APM, the power module, and also TMC, the transmission module, plus the reconstruction package to make better use of the existing equipment. So let's go through the IMB05 model of the cabinet. It supports back-mounted installation on a wall, side-mounted installation on a wall, and installation of an L support. So in an indoor non-ground mounted scenarios, the indoor mini box IMB stands for Indoor Mini Box 05 version can be preferably selected. It provides a 4U space to enable for the power supply for a maximum of 12 RRUs. The power consumption of an RRU is less than 800 watts. That is the total. If 6 RRUs, the power consumption is less or equivalent to 1200 watts. So it enables heat dissipation for 2 EPU O2D model of 1300 watts. IBC 10 version B. This is a DC indoor BBU cabinet 10 version B. It can house a maximum of 10 BBU 5900 series. So that is the advantage of using this type of cabinet. So this is the components in the DC cabinet. So from the figure, this is how the whole structure looks like. It has a few models here. Number 1 is basically referring to the USU and eLu model, the environment and power supply. Number 3 is referring to the temperature sensor. Number 4 is referring to the DCDU model. Number 5 is referring to the GPS power splitter. And number 6 is basically the BBU model. And number 7 is actually the fan unit. So all the fan units will be in this section. BTS 5900 series cabinet is basically a vertical cabinet, and it has a design complies with the IEC 297 standard. So this is basically for indoor solution. The component of BTS 5900 series version A cabinet is as below. Number 1 is referring to the RFU unit. So basically this is the RFC cabinet. Number 2 is referring to the fan module. Number 3 is referring to the BBU model. Number 4 is actually referring to the DCDU model, circuit breaker. Number 5 is the eLu for the environmental unit. Number 6 is also BBU. And number 7 is referring to the DCDU model or the power supply model, EPU O2D. OPM 200 is an outdoor power module developed for Huawei blade side. Example, BBU 3910A or BBU 5900A. And this has an external input power that converts from minus 57 voltage DC and provides the power to the DC, RRU and AAU, BBU 5900 series A and the transmission module. It also supports the AC current, 210 voltage or 110 voltage. There is a power supply unit over here. The power supply unit can support about 4000 watts or 8000 watt maximum. APM 5930 is a power cabinet with heat exchanger and adopts the thermal siphon TS system. It is used for Huawei wireless products outdoor. It is small and easy to transport. So this is the APM 5930 cabinet type. And APM 5930 houses BBU and also provides a 5U installation space for the customer equipment. It can be configured with the following modules. We have Environment Monitoring Unit Type B, AC heater, Service Outlet Unit, and other optionally configured devices. Example, the fan, the door status sensor, PDUs, BBU, SLPU, and also the PSU unit. So from the components, they are divided into AC and DC type. So we have two types of the model here. We have APM 5950H and we have APM 5900H. APM 5950H provides 10U installation space for customer equipment. It houses BBO and also some other optional devices like EMBUP, AC heater, service outlet unit, photovoltaic distribution unit, AC transfer switch, control diesel generator. So there are a lot of components over here as well. Example, the junction box, fan, smoke sensor, we have door status sensor, BBU unit, this is the BBU unit, and other modules. Same goes to the APM 5900 cabinet. Both have the similar function. That's all for part 8. The summary of this section is different types of cabinets, the cabinet modules, and also we learn about the outdoor power module OPM 200. So let's go through a quiz question. OPM 200 is an outdoor power module developed for Huawei blade side. This is a true or false? So the answer is true. That's all from me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.